So we have found a new phenomenon with Elena Ray McLean. The hiccup. Apparently they're hereditary. Because I also get those same hiccups.
That was a big one. You have the biggest hiccups ever.
Hiccup. Okay, it's officially bedtime.
Look at the little cheeks.
Elena girl's tired.
You're pretty.
Elena girl is tired. It is 11:20, and we don't want to go to bed because we're having so much fun playing, but we need
sure
to.
Are.
Mommy's no fun.
We have front row seat to the awesomest girl ever. Hi.
Hi, beauty.
You're awesome.
Hi, beauty. Oh. Good night, gorgeous.
Good night.
It's time to sleep. Bye.
Bye.